Mitch with DrywallInstruction.com. In 2017, I launched my YouTube channel, my Drywall Instruction YouTube channel, with the goal of teaching the trade that I love, that I had done at that time for 20 some years. I taught myself how to record and edit video. I created a YouTube channel. I put several videos on there, free information. About the time I finished that, I got busy putting together what I call a drywall business plan. And that drywall business plan is a video library that consists of training on both the technical aspects of the drywall repair business as well as business aspects. I believe that both of them are necessary to be successful. Interestingly enough, about the same time that I was doing that, a couple of companies were created that provided drywall repair franchises. And so I wanted to just go over a little bit of the difference between my business plan and the drywall repair franchise model. I recognize that everybody's different, so I won't exclude that. Everybody needs something a little bit different. I happen to be a very independent type of individual, like my freedom and go that direction. My perception of the drywall repair franchise model is that it is expensive and very limiting as to what they let you do. You pay a fairly large purchase price and then you pay for a specific market area that you have to stay in. One of the significant challenges in my eyes that doesn't seem very attractive to me is that once you've started your business and you're up and running and you're successful, you continue to have to pay a percentage to that company. And to my knowledge, that's an endless process. The last thing that seems unattractive to me would be that they have a very long list of requirements and restrictions and limitations to what you can do as a business owner. Now, I've been in the field for about 35 years now, out and about doing drywall repair and seeing just about every scenario, drywall repair scenario that you can even imagine. Over the years, I've been able to train myself to, again, record and edit video and be able to transfer this information and this knowledge and wisdom that I've gathered to videos. I'm of the belief that a go-getter can take this information that I provide, maybe set up a practice area in a garage or a shop or something like that, and with a small amount of time be able to take this instruction and teach themselves how to and learn from the instruction how to do drywall repair and be able to get out and about in producing and making money in a relatively short period of time. Along with the instructional information that I provide, I also provide support. So I'll have your back as you go out and go to work. This business model has been proven in a couple of demographics now. I started the business in Utah when I was going to school, and that area had about 1.5 million people. I operated in that market for about 10 years and was anxious to return home to Central Oregon and did so. I didn't think, because there were only 150,000 in this area at the time, that I could make my business model work, and actually was a general contractor for a year. I decided to jump back in and go back to work in drywall repair. It ended up being more successful here in this area than it did in the previous area. If this business model is interesting to you and you'd like to look into it further, feel free to contact me at info@drywallinstruction.com or by email, or if you'd like to, you can give me a call at area code 541-408-5763. I look forward to visiting with you and answering your questions, and hopefully enabling you and empowering you to start a drywall repair business and be successful in doing so.